Thank you for calling, and you have a nice day. We get asked from time to time by our customers, is my windshield repairable, or does it need to be replaced? Windshield repair creates a great opportunity for our customers to save money on auto glass damage. A properly repaired windshield will typically outlast the life of the vehicle. Under the guidance of the National Windshield Repair Association and the Repair of Laminated Auto Glass Standards, we have adapted the following windshield repair criteria. The entirety of the damaged area must be smaller than a U.S. quarter. The windshield must not have more than 3 repaired blemishes. If the damaged area on your windshield fits this criteria, windshield repair may be your best option.